Hey guys, we're going to have a look at the C major scale again, but we're going to start to move it up the fretboard. So this is called the A position, and it's just an easy way to remember. Look, it's on the A string, and in the A position we start from our second finger. Okay, so the note for C we know is the 3rd fret on the A string. Okay, so we're going to start though on our second finger, and it's really important here to remember to use one finger per fret for this scale. So starting on your second finger sets you up to be able to move really quickly up and down the strings. So let's start. So 3rd fret, then we're going to go to the 5th fret, so using your little finger for this. Now we're going to go down onto the D string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, now down to the G, 2nd fret, 4th fret using your 3rd finger, and then 5th fret. We're going to add in the 9th note here as a turnaround because we're going to start to go up and back on all our scales. So let's see. 3rd fret on the B there. That's our turnaround point. Now moving backwards, we'll be back on that 5th fret, 4, 2, to the 5th fret, 3, 2, 5th fret, 3rd. Okay, so that's ascending and then descending, that scale. Alright, we'll run through that one more time. That's our turnaround. Okay, so it finishes quite nicely back on the C. Now we'll run that up again. Alright, so practice that one through. We want to get a little bit of speed up, so yeah. Alright, a bit faster again. And faster again. Now, that's getting pretty decent speed, but yeah, let's go faster. And faster. And I'm sure a few of you want a bit of a challenge, so Now, if you even get halfway there, you're doing really well. But this is one to practice over and over. Now, I thought I'd throw in something else. So we're ascending and descending there. Now we're using that ninth note as a turnaround. So just as a point of interest, if you do start descending, we're going to actually use the seventh note in the scale for our turnaround. It's got quite a different feel to it. It's interesting, exactly the same notes, but just tweaked. So if we actually start on our high C, this one, and going back on our scale, turnaround is the seventh here. So if you want to descend and then ascend, make sure you still start on your C note, your root note. And I think it's really cool. So yeah, slightly different feel to it, but if you're doing a little quick run, I think that sounds great. So look, play around with it, practice this one over and over, and we'll see you next time.